Hi, I'm Jeremy, the author of Exploring Arduino. What you're about to watch is a brief video demonstration of one of the projects in the second edition of the book Exploring Arduino. If you don't already have the book, visit exploringarduino.com to learn more about it and where you can buy it. If you make a cool project from the book and want to share it, please use the hashtag #ExploringArduino on social media. Okay, good luck with the project.
This is the internet connected temperature readout for Exploring Arduino. Right here we have our Adafruit Feather board with our Cortex M0 microcontroller on it, as well as our Wi-Fi connectivity module. We have it connected up to our 7-segment display LED readout, and we have our additional pull-up resistors over here for the I2C bus to handle the longer wires that we have connecting to this. And this will poll a web API once every minute. Each time it switches back between Celsius and Fahrenheit, so you can get good at knowing both systems. You can see there that it just pulled the web again. The LED activity light blinked there, indicating it was connecting to Wi-Fi and sending a request, and it switched from Celsius to Fahrenheit. And if you want to make this look good, you can mount it in a frame or something like that. Putting a white piece of paper in front of it makes it diffuse pretty nicely, and it looks pretty good. So that's the project.